welcome back to Red Leaf NCRT Solutions Class 7 Mathematics. So we are in the chapter Integers, exercise 1.1. So today we are moving on to the sixth sum. So just go through the sum in your textbook, page number 4. I'll just explain the question. So Rita goes 20 kilometers towards east. So east is this side, west is this side. Okay, so here is A point, okay, the center, and here is some B point. Okay, so there is no C point or D point, only 2 points. So here is east, here is west. Okay, so she moves 20 kilometers towards east from point A to B. So she moves from point A to B, she moves 20 kilometers east. Okay, now she moves 30 from B, she moves 30 kilometers towards west along the same road. She goes here again to the west, up to the west she went. So it took 30 kilometers. Okay, if the distance towards east is represented by a positive integer, okay, this is east, so we are representing it by positive integer. How will you represent the distance traveled towards west? Simple, negative integer, isn't it? So we don't want to mention specifically. Now, by which integer will you represent her final position from A? So now we are going to find the final position, okay, for this question. So distance traveled towards east, that is plus, that we have to represent by a positive integer, so plus 20 kilometers. Next, distance traveled towards west, that is by a negative integer we have to represent, so minus 30 kilometers. Think you can understand? So now final position of Rita from A. Final position. She traveled from A only, no. For the starter is travel from A, so have to find from A only. So is equal to so have to do with the calculation. We are going to do with the calculation. So I am using red color. Plus, you don't want to represent specify this plus, so asterisk you can write. Plus means asterisk. 20 kilometers. Yes, you have to minus what? Yes, the final 30 kilometers. So 20 minus 30 it cannot go. If you take integers wise it can go. So it can go minus 10, isn't it? If you take integers wise it can go minus 10. So her final position from A is minus 10 kilometers. Okay. So now I think I can move to the next sum. So now in a magic square, each row, column and diagonal have the same sum. Check without the following is a magic square. So now first I'll do the question. For this question is important. So 1, 2, two squares are given. So check for 2. So I'll draw the magic square. So first 100. Okay. So I draw small, then only you can write the answer, isn't it? 1, 2, okay. So 5, think -1, -4, next -5, -2, 7, -5, -2, 7, 0, 3, -3, 0, sorry, 0, 3, -3. So I will draw neatly, wait a minute. One, two, three. Okay. So I'll use a different color, yellow color. Okay. So 5 -1 -4. Next -5 -5 -2 7 0 3 -3. I think it's visible, so I'm moving on to the answer. So we have to find whether it's a magic square. In a magic square, every row, every column, every diagonal have the same sum. So first we'll check for row 1. So R1 means row 1. So row means horizontal wise. Column means vertical wise. Diagonal means crosswise. I think you can understand this. So I'll wrap this. So now first row, second row, third row. Then R1, R2, R3. So column 1, C1, column 2, C2, column 3. Diagonal only 2 diagonals. D1, sorry, D2. I think you can understand. So I'm doing row 1. So we have to add this sum. So whether it is correct or not. 5 plus minus 1. You have to add, okay, not subtract. 5 plus -1 plus -4 is equal to 5 plus -1 plus minus again 4. So here I think you can understand. Just listen, okay? So here plus minus we have converted into minus. So now 5 minus 1, so 5 plus 1. So 5 plus 1 is 6. Sorry, wait a minute. So here 5 as to I'll copy. Okay. As. So here minus plus. So we can add this both first. So 4 plus 1 is 5. So 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. Everybody knows, isn't it? So now we'll move to row 2. I'll write little small. Row 2 minus 5 plus -2 plus 7. Okay. So now this sum. So plus 5 minus. So here I will don't want to do simple calculation. Plus minus. So here plus, here minus. Plus minus minus. So minus 5 minus 5 minus 2 plus 7. So it's equal to minus plus 5 plus 2 7 plus so minus 7 plus 7. So plus minus 7 minus 7, sorry, 7 minus 7 0. Okay. So now row 3. Row 3 0 plus 3 plus minus 3. Okay. 0 plus 3 plus minus 3. So 0 plus 3 is 3. Isn't it? Okay, 3 plus minus t is equal to 0. So now I am moving to the columns. So column wise I will write in blue color. Column 1, here column 1 is 5 plus minus 5, 5 plus minus 5 plus 0. So it's equal to 5 minus 5, 5 minus 5 plus 0. So 5 minus 5 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. So as it is 0 you can. So column 2 minus 1 plus minus 2 plus 3. Sorry, since I am writing very big, for you only it should be visible. Word file it's not visible since I am using whiteboard. Okay, so minus 1 plus minus 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 2 plus 3. Minus minus plus, so 3 minus 3 plus 3. So minus minus plus 0. So minus plus minus. So 3 minus 3, 0. Okay. I think you can understand. I am moving to the next page. Column 3. Okay, column 3. Okay, column 3. So column 3 is minus. So minus 4 plus 7 plus minus 3 is equal to, so here C3 minus 4 plus 7 plus into minus minus, so minus 3. So you should be very careful with the numbers. So now here minus 4 plus 7 minus 3. So now 4 and 3. So here both symbols are equal, no? Minus and minus. So we will first do it. Minus minus plus, so 4 plus 3, 7. So minus 7 plus 7, so 0. Okay, plus into minus minus. So 7 minus 7, 0. So now we are moving on with the diagonal one. For diagonal I will use red color. So black color I will use. Diagonal 1. So only 2 diagonals are there. Since I am going diagonal 1, here it is diagonal 1, it is 5 plus minus 2 plus minus 3 is equal to 5 plus into minus minus. So here also plus into minus minus. So these two are first these two are having equal. So we will first do this 5 minus minus plus, so minus 5. 5 minus 5, that is equal to 0. So diagonal 2, I think minus 4 plus minus 2 plus 0. Minus 4 plus minus 2 plus 0. So here minus 4 plus minus minus 2 plus 0. So minus minus plus. So 6. That is minus 6 plus 0. Minus 6 plus 0 is, as the number is, minus 6. Okay, so here all the sum are 0 only except this minus 6. So if even it's one number different, it's not a magic square. Thus 1 is not a magic square. Okay, I think you can understand. So I'm moving on to the next sum. Page number 4, next sum. So that means second in the same sum, second problem. Second problem, as this we have to do this. So row 1, row 2. So now I will do with violet. So kindly refer the book for the question. 2, 2, 1. So row 1, row 1, row 1, 1 plus minus 10 plus 0. So 1 plus minus 10 plus 0. So 1 minus 10 plus 0. So 1 minus 10, it cannot go. So integers wise it can go. So minus 9. Minus 9 plus 0 as the numbers. Okay. So now row 2. Minus 4 plus minus 2. Sorry, minus 3. So minus 4 plus minus 3 plus minus 2. So here in the row, minus 4, so plus into minus, minus 3, plus into minus again minus 2. So everything are minus, since we can add everything and put the minus. 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9, so minus 9. So now row 3. Row 3, minus 6 plus 4 plus minus 7 is equal to minus 6 plus 4 minus 7. So these two are same, so we can first do that. 7 minus 7 plus, so minus minus plus 7 6 are 13. 7 plus 6 is 13. So symbol minus, plus 4 plus minus minus, 13 minus 4 is the greater number, which is the greater number, 13. So the symbol of the greater number comes. So now I have completed this row. So now we are moving on to the column. Column 1. Column 1. Column 1 is 1 plus minus 4 plus minus 6 is equal to 1 plus minus minus 4 plus minus 6. Okay, so this is a positive number and these two are equal sign. So we can do minus minus plus, so 6 4 4 10. 1 minus 1 minus 4 by 6, 1 minus 10. Sorry. Plus, since minus 9. So now column 2. Column 2. So column 2, now minus 10 plus minus 3 plus 4. So is equal to minus 10 plus minus minus 3 plus 4. So first we will do this, minus 13 plus 4, again the same, minus 9. So now we are moving on with the column 3. Column, 1 minute. So column 3. So column 3, it is 0 plus minus 2 plus minus 7. 0 plus minus 2 plus minus 7 is equal to 0 minus 2 minus 7. So we have to, don't consider this, minus minus plus, so minus 9. So now we are going to count on with the diagonals. Diagonal 1 is 1 plus minus 3 plus minus 7. So is equal to 1 minus 3 plus minus 7. So sorry, 1 minus 3 minus 7. So here 7 minus 3 is simply 1. So here it comes minus 9. So next diagonal 2. Diagonal 2, it is 0 plus minus 3 plus minus 6, isn't it? So 0 plus 0 minus 3 minus 6. So here don't consider this. So 6 3 9. So I have completed this. So yes, this is the everything are same, since every sum are same. So this is the magic square. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe this video. So next video will be posted tomorrow.